Hi, welcome to our Teacher Leader University course for this summer, Developing and Maintaining Trust, Part 2. I'm Claire Croft. I'm in the Division of Organizational Effectiveness, and I'm really happy to be with you this summer to begin our course. This course is built, as you can see from the title, on developing and growing that trust. And as you know from teachers, trust is the critical relationship that you need to build in order to have a successful classroom and work with your students. But you also need to build it as a teacher leader with your colleagues. So we're going to be exploring in this course exactly how to consider different aspects of building trust, and you'll be able to apply that in your personal and professional relationships as you move forward. This course is designed to deepen your understanding around trust. In part one, you were kind of considering yourself at the center and working through ways to develop yourself as a trusting person and trustworthy. And now in this course, we're still exploring the same four large concepts, but we're also applying them to working with others in a collegial relationship. So as we go into the organization for the course, it is going to be in four modules, which are color-coded in each folder. And as you open up the folders, you'll see a familiar look to the learning environment. Within each folder, you'll see, first of all, a link to click about thinking about the topic and just kind of getting that schema activated. Then you'll click into Learn About It, and I'll show you what that looks like in a moment as a sample. And then there's some try it ideas for you to participate in. All of this is virtually on your own time, asynchronous. And finally, the Show What You Know at the end of each of the four modules will contain some sort of assessment. So there's a written assessment at the end of each module for you to write your takeaways in a discussion with some of your classmates and responses from me. You'll also have an option to do a virtual live discussion with me and some of your classmates as an alternative. This is an asynchronous course, so you run through the whole thing on your own time and schedule. But if you'd like to take advantage of replacing some of the end of unit or end of session assessments, as instead of a written discussion, you'd like to come on for a half an hour and participate in a discussion online with whichever classmates choose to do that, then that will count as your alternative assessment for that module. So let's look and see what the learning looks like. This is an example of how each of these sessions are set up in the Learn About It. It has the title of the focus area and a short description. And then there are a number of learning activities that are linked in there, resources, websites, videos, things to reflect on, self-assessments. And you'll just work through that at your own pace and just kind of jot notes for what you want to take away, apply with others in your school or office setting. And then as you go through that, the Learn It and the Try It portions of the module, then you will click finally on the Show What You Know for your assessment. And again, you'll have a chance to do that each time with a written assessment, working through totally on your own time and pace. Or you can click into one of the discussions that will replace that assignment and that assessment for that session. So the live times are going to all be consistent starting the first Monday after we launch the course. So we launch on July 6th, and then on July 12th, you will have a chance, if you'd like to tune in and discuss some ideas from that you're taking away and maybe applying with others from your first session of learning, then you can click into the Teams meeting invite that will be from 9:30 to 10 on Monday. The first one is July 12th. The one for the second learning session will be on Monday, July 19th from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. And then on the third one will be for July 26th, the following week. And the fourth one, August 1st, that Monday morning from 9:30 to 10. If you can't make them, there's no worries. You just will do the written assessment and participate in that discussion online. If you'd like to take advantage, just respond to the invite. On the first day of class on July 6th, I'll send out an invitation to everyone in the class for the 4 teams meetings. And if you'd like to attend and take advantage of that alternative assessment, you can just reply yes to the invite for any or all of the sessions that you'd like to attend as live discussions. No pressure either way. You can move through it at your own pace. Otherwise, if you want to come to the discussion, you just have to have that session's work done in the think about it, learn about it, try it portions so that you're ready to have the discussion. If you have any questions at all, please email me at ckruft, which is CKRUF as in Frank T at bcps.org. And I look forward to meeting all of you and reading, or maybe having you in one of our virtual discussions about your ideas. Thank you very much, and I hope you have an awesome summer.